Come over here.
What's what's your emergency?
Oh, I'm at the Centennial station. I just had a dude pull a gun on me. He's over here yelling. I got my daughter. Now he's saying another shit. Come over here.
Oh, okay, so you're at the bus station on Victorian, correct?
Come here now.
Sir?
I'm at the fucking Greyhound station behind some little thing. Pull the gun on me, put it on me. I don't know, dude.
Okay, do you know who this person is?
Hi. He's got a white shirt on. Look, they're trying to leave.
Okay, so did he pull it out and show it to you, or did he actually point it at you?
Yeah, he pulled it out. My daughter seen me put it in my fucking body. He even coughed it. Now he's trying to take off.
So he cocked the gun and pointed at you, correct?
He did. I'm right here at the station.
Okay.
I didn't know the fucking buses are.
So do you have any idea who this guy is? Yes or no?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I've never seen this person before in my life.
Okay, and which way did he go?
He's coming back towards me now.
Okay, is he white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
He's white. He's a white guy with a black guy.
So there was a guy or black guy that had it?
Stand up. It's a white guy. Just stay down. Stay down.
Make sure you're in a safe place, sir, if you need to get away. So the white guy had the gun.
I got my fucking daughter here.
Okay, how old was this white guy with the gun, sir?
I don't know. All I can tell you is just randomly walked up, put this shit in me.
Okay, what was he wearing again?
He's got a white dress shirt, kind of. He's wearing a hat.
What color hat?
Typical tweaker looking dude.
Do you remember what color hat it was?
It looked like a camel. He's got a backpack, and he's carrying like a little square case or backpack. He's in front of that Siegel Suites right now.
Okay. Well, I just want to know what they're looking for. Do you remember what color pants he had or shorts?
He's got black pants. He's walking with somebody that had the jersey on.
Okay. Well, what color backpack was it?
The backpack is black, and he's got a little square pack too.
Okay. And do you remember what color? Could you tell what color hair he had?
He had dark brown hair. 5'9", tweaker guy. He had a bunch of chains on. Yeah, dude.
Hey, Park Police, show me your hands now. Put your hands up. Hey.
We have one at gunpoint.
Show me your hands now.
Wait, Siegel. Hey, push your hands. Push your hands.
Put your hands down.
Hands. He's got the gun to his head. Hands! Stop!
Go.
Hands!
Put it down.
Hands, dude!
Put it down.
Stop!
Put it down.
Nope, stay. Stay, hands! Hands!
Hands.
Well, there's people up here, so stay with him. Hands, man! Hands! Ma'am, get inside! Go! Hands, dude! Hands! Drop it, dude! Hey, man, we just want to talk! Stop, dude! Fuck. Hey, Eric, get inside! Go inside! Everybody! Get inside! Get in the van! Yep.
To the ground.
Come here!
No, it's your boy, please. No, don't send me. Please.
Dude, just put it down, bro. Hey, put it down.
Please don't talk to me. I'm in a prison. I just got out.
Put it down, bro. Put it down, bro. Put it down.
214-555.
We're right on the west side of the Nugget parking lot in the Siegel.
I'm in a child molester.
Go inside! Go! Stop! Stop! Stop!
I don't want to die.
Stop!
I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun now.
Drop it!
Let me smoke and I'll drop it.
Shots fired by police.
Drop it. I will. Drop the gun now.
Drop it, dude!
Hey! Don't stop!
Drop it, dude. Just drop the gun, man. We can talk about this.
Bullshit. I'm gonna shove
We can talk about this, dude. We can talk about this.
it. You guys did this.
We can talk about this, man.
I'm a Hell's Angel. I'm a fucking 18th Street. I'm 18th Street.
We can talk about this, dude.
18th Street.
Hey, just talk to me, man. Just talk to me.
I'm on my desk. I got guys all along here.
Talk to me, dude. Just talk to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna write my name right here.
Talk to me, dude.
Go down.
Put the gun down, man.
Do it. Don't do it.
Just put the gun down for me. Put the gun down for me.
Oh, shit.
Put the gun down for me, bro.
Come on, man.
Put it down for me. We can talk about this. We can talk about this. Dude, just, we can talk about this. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down, dude. Put it down. Just put the gun down, bro. Put the gun down, bro.
I need everybody here now.
Dude, just put the gun down.
Nugget.
Put the gun down, bro.
Back to my dad.
Yee, back up. Yee.
Back to my dad. Back to my dad, please. I want one time, man.
Dude, just, we can talk about this, man.
Hey, fuck.
Yee, back up, dude.
I was on my way to West Hill. Right now, I was walking, man. That guy was a chump.
We can talk about this, man. Just put the gun down for me. Put the gun down for me, bro. Put the gun down for me.
I'm not killing cops. I love cops. I just talk to sports meetings.
Put the gun down for me, bro.
Stop!
Hey, right now. Move! Start approaching! Move! Move!
Nice and easy.
Let go! Let go!
Real fast. I'm dying.
Put the gun down for me! Down!
I'm not killing cops. I love cops. I just talk to sports meetings.
Put the gun down for me, bro!
Stop!
Down for me, bro!
Stop! Nice and easy.
Let go! Let go!
Hey, everybody get down.
Step up, step up, step up.
I'm not killing cops. I love cops. I just talk to sports meetings.
Put the gun down for me, bro!
Stop!
Hey, right now!
Noise your hands! What is your hands?
Move your hands now!
Put your gun away, put your gun away.
That's easy.
Mr. A.
Let's go. Right here. Oh, let's go. I'm dying. Real fast. I'm dying.
Tourniquet. Where's he shot at?
Just trauma dressing. I'm dying.
Take a breath.
I'm dying. I'm not gonna live.